Fire is actually a chemical reaction that releases light and heat. When fuel, like wood or gas, combines with oxygen in the air, it combusts, creating flames and often smoke. So, fire is more of an event than a physical object. The color of a flame can tell you a lot about the oxygen level. A low oxygen fire appears yellow, while a high oxygen fire burns blue. This is why candle flames are blue at the bottom, where they take up fresh air, and yellow at the top, where the rising fumes partly suffocate the flame. Fire can only exist on Earth because it requires oxygen to burn. Other planets in our solar system don't have enough oxygen to support a flame. So Earth is the only known place where fire can naturally occur.